Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will be doing class 7th mathematics banks and simple interest practice set 41. So in the last video I have done this part 1 of practice set 41. So this is part 2. In the last video I have done question 1, question 2, question 3. So I'll give the link of part 1 in description box. So in this video I will be doing question number 4 and 5. Okay. So let's solve question number 4 now. Question 4 is Lataben borrowed some money from a bank at a rate of 10 PCPA interest for 2.5 years to start a cottage industry. If she paid 10,250 rupees as total interest, how much money had she borrowed? So here we have to find the principal. We know the total interest, so here you have to find the principal. So let's see the solution. So every time you have to write first what is given in the question. So here in the question they have given already the total interest, that is I, that is 10,250 rupees. R they have given, that is rate of interest as 10%, and time they have given T as 2.5. That when we convert this like 2 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 upon 2. So answer will be 5 upon 2. So we can write it that 5 upon 2 years. Okay. We will use the formula interest is equal to P into T, R into T upon 100. So we know the principal. So we will divert the formula because we have to find the principal. So we will take P here. I and 100 will be I and 100 will go up, and R and T will be down. So the formula will be I into 100 upon R into T. So what is I? 10,250 into 100 into 2. What is this 2? This is the years ka 2 upon what is the rate of interest? 10 into 5. 5 upon 2 ka 5. Okay. So we will simplify this. 100 2s are 200. So that will be 10,250 into 200 upon 10 5s are 50. Now we will cancel it. 1010 gets cancelled here. Then 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. So we are left with 10,250 into 4. So our answer, when we multiply this, it's 41,000. So you can write a final statement. Hence, Lata Bean had borrowed 41,000 rupees in a bank. Okay. So this was the end of the question number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question 5, filling the blanks in the table. So here it's one table is given. There are 5 sums given in this table. What we will do first, see here I have drawn the table. So here, like this only we will not fill. Now we have to solve one example, then we will only fill. So first we will solve all the examples. Then at last we will fill this table with that. Okay. So in this, the first one is principal is given, rate of interest is given, time is given, and we have to find the interest and amount. So let's find. So what is given to us in the first example, question 5 first? Principal is given 4200 rupees. Okay. Then R, rate of interest is given 7% and T, time is given 3 years. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the total interest and total amount. So total interest I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So here we can write it as 4200 into 7 into 3 upon 100, because we know the principal, we know R also, we know T also. So we can solve it nicely. So 2 zeros gets cancelled. So we are left with 42 into 7 into 3. So 7 3s are 21. So we are left with 42 into 21. So when we divide this, when we multiply this, we get 882 rupees as the answer. So here we got the interest. Now we have to find the total amount. So what is the formula for total amount? Total amount formula is principal plus interest. So what is the principal? 4200 plus what is the interest? 882. Okay, so 5082 rupees is your answer. Okay, this was the final answer. In the second one, they have not given the principal. Rate of interest is 6%. Time is 4 years. Interest is 1200 and they have not given the amount. So in this example, we have to find the principal and the total amount. So let's find. Question 5, second example. So in this, what they have given, first we will write. The total interest I is given as 1200 rupees. Then R is given 6%. T is given 4 years. What we have to find? We have to find the principal and total amount. Interest is equal to principal into rate of interest into time upon 100. So P is equal to I into 100 upon R into T. So what we have done, we have diverted this formula. As we have to find principal, we have put the principal here. I and 100 will go up, R and T will go down. So 200, sorry, we are left with your 1200 into 100 upon 6 into 4, because interest is 1200. It's given no in the question, the interest 1200. So the interest is 1200 into 100 upon 6 into 4. We'll cut this with the table of 6. 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 200. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2s are 8, this 2 carries, 4 5s are 20. So we are left with 200 multiplied by 25. So when we do this, we get the answer as 5000 rupees. So total amount, what is the formula for total amount? So total amount is equal to P plus I, that is principal plus interest. So what is the principal? 5000 plus 1200 is equal to 6200 rupees. That's the answer. Third one, in third question, they have given the principal. Rate of interest is 5%. They have not given the time. They have given the interest, that is 800, and they have not given the amount. So in this third one, we have to find the time and total amount. So let's find. Third example, principal is equal to 8000 rupees. Total interest is given as 800 rupees. Rate of interest is given 5%. What we have to find out? Time and total amount. So interest is equal to R into T into, sorry, P into T into R upon 100. So now we have to find the time. We will find the time first, because if we find the time first, then we will find the total amount very easily. So we will take T here, then I and 100 will go up. So I into 100 upon P and R will go down. So what we are left? 800 into 100 upon 8000 into 5. So how we will solve this? So 800 into 100 is 80,000 upon 8,000 into 5. 3 zeros will go with 3 zeros. So we are left with 80 upon 8 into 5. So 8 5s are 40. So 80 upon 40. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay. We are left with 2. So time is equal to 2 years. Now what we have to find next? We have to find the total amount. So principal plus interest. So 8,000 plus 800 is equal 8,800 rupees. Fourth one. In fourth example, they have not given the principal. Rate of interest is 5%. Time is not given to us. Interest is 6,000 and amount is 18,000. So here we have the total amount, we have the interest, we have the rate of interest. We have to only find principal and time. So let's find. First, in anything you solve, you have to write given. So total amount is given to us. 18,000 rupees. This is the first sum of all the 5 we are getting the total amount. Okay, total interest also we have 6,000 rupees. Then rate of interest we have 5%. We have to find out principal and time. So total amount, we will first use the formula of total amount is equal to P plus I. So principal is equal to, now we will move P here. So here it is addition. So when total amount comes here, it will be subtracted by interest. So principal is equal to total amount minus interest. Principal is equal to 18,000 minus 6,000 is equal to P is equal to 12,000 rupees. Now what we have to find next? We have to find the time also. So find the time. Interest is equal to P into T into R upon 100. So we will put the T here because we have to find T. So I into 100, I and 100 will go up and P into R will be down. So what is I? 6,000 into 100. What is P? We have got now, just now only P is 12,000. Okay, so 12,000 into 5. So what is 6,000 into 100? So 6,000 into 100 is 60,000 upon 12,000 into 5. So 3 zeros will go with 3 zeros. We are left with, sorry, it's 6 lakhs. So we are left with now 2 zeros. Okay, we are left with 2 zeros. 600 upon 12 5s are 60 only. So we will cancel this. First 0 0 will get cancelled. So 60 upon 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 10s are 60 is equal to 10. So time is equal to 10 years. We got the fifth and the last example of this practice set. Principal is not given. Rate of interest is 2.5%. Time is 5 years. Interest is 2,400. Amount we have to find. So in this example, we have to find principal and amount. So let's find. What is given? Given is interest, that is 2,400. Okay. Then R is given 2.5%. But we have to find that time is 5 years. So this 2.5 we will do 5 upon 2%. Okay, by the solving that, we have to find the principal and total amount in this example. So interest is equal to P into T into R upon 100. So as we know, we have primed the principal. So P will come here, I into 100 will be up, and T into R will be down. So 2,400 into 100 upon 5 into 2. So how we will solve this? I'll let you know how we'll solve this. See, 100 into 2, because 5 upon 2 ka 2 year and 5 is year. 5 into 5. Sorry. First we'll simplify this. 100 into 2 is 2,400 into 200. 5 5s are 25. Now we will more simplify it. So we will cancel it with a table of 25. 25 ones are 25. 25 8s are 200. So 2,400 into 8 we are left with is equal to 19,200. So principal, and right, therefore principal is equal to 19,200 rupees. Now what we have to find, one more thing, we have to find total amount. So that's P plus I is equal to 19,200 plus 2,400 is equal to 21,600 rupees. Okay, I hope you understood all the sums of today. So with this, we have completed practice set 41 of class 7, chapter 10 mathematics, banks and simple interest, and we have completed all the practice sets of this lesson. We have completed this lesson.